Afternoon, this is Gary from our Paradise Farm, Bratton, Florida, and this is April the 17th, and I'm going to show you what I've done to brace my corners on my T-posts. I went on to YouTube. I had no idea what to do, so I went on to YouTube, looked at everybody was doing. Everybody's putting these expensive brackets they're buying, and I don't have the money to be buying brackets to hold T-posts in place. So I did old style, old school. I only found two that actually did anything. One guy actually wired them in place, and another guy actually nut and bolted it in place. So I would suspect that's how an old timer would do it. I'm going to eventually call my dad, because he was brought up on a farm, 10-acre farm, and he worked a cattle ranch of 200 head. He milked by hand. So I'm going to eventually find out, and I'll get back and let you know, probably in a short video. This won't be a short video. So anyways, I'm going to walk you around. Oh, first off, I also tried, first off, galvanized hanger straps. Well, I was brought up being called plumber tape, because it's designed for the plumbers originally to mount the piping to the walls, and the air conditioning guys use it to hang the vents hose. And so now I'm going to walk over, and I think I got my thing over, my level over here. A little brain dead, sorry. Anyways, I'm gonna walk over here and show you what I did do. So these are 8 foot between here to here. That's a 10-foot pole going from corner to corner, and that's just sitting there. All right, if you notice, I wired it. Didn't do very good this time wiring it, but it is level. So that is level that way. However, it's definitely not level this way. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to put this in yet until we put the fence up. I'm going to wrap the fence this direction around, pulling that corner in, and then I will put the T-post in to support it. So the tension will be from the fence into that T-post. And what I did over here, same principle. I came down 13 notches. The 13th notch is where it's mounted, and that is level. Again, from this direction, it is way out of whack. I can't even see the bubble. So anyways, as you can see, that's way out of whack. So I did the same thing at that end and at the far corner up front. And far corner on the right hand side, the post is so out of whack that the only way I'm going to get that to pull in is if I put the fence up and tighten the fence to pull the bracket in. So it on its own is going to be pushing the fence out, but I will put T-posts in support because of the wind we get up here. So I got what I could for T-posts in, and yes, they are wired on top, old school, right, wrong, or indifferent. It's what I did. And so keep in touch, keep following, hit the button to be notified. I would appreciate comments. You folks have a great day. Talk to you a little bit later.